You know, hello mga ka-winner, mga kasinyal. Magandang araw mga kasinyal, mga ka-winner. Sa mga nagdaan video, naihatid ko na sa inyo ang about sa mahihina at malalakas na kulay ng balahibo sa panahon ng last quarter at new moon. So for today's video, ang ibabahagi ko naman sa inyo ay patungkol sa mahihinang kulay ng balahibo sa panahon ng first quarter. Without further ado guys, mga kasinyal, simulan na natin.
Give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen.
So mga kasinyal, mga ka-winner, ayan, natunghayan nyo ang mga kulay ng balahibo na mahihina sa panahon ng first quarter. So for the next video na gagawin natin, so gagawa naman ako ng guide patungkol sa kulay ng malalakas na balahibo sa panahon ng first quarter. So mga kasinyal, mga ka-winner, abangan nyo yan. Tulad ng sinasabi ko, mga kasinyal ka-winner, ito ay gabay lamang or guide para sa inyong ikatatagumpay sa patimpalak. So nasa sa inyo na rin kung inyong susundin ang aking mga tips na mga ibinibigay. Pero ang maipapayo ko talaga 100% is mas maganda na ihanda pa rin natin ng maayos o i-condition pa rin natin ating mga napili na panlaban sa patimpalak na gaganapin sa ating mga lugar. Nang sa ganun pasigurado pa rin natin ang tagumpay na ating inaasam. So yun lang mga ka-winner, mga kasinyal. Salamat sa panonood ng videos na to, at sa mga susunod na videos asahan nyo na magagawa ako ng mas marami pang guide patungkol sa mga bagay-bagay sa orakulo. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye.
It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.